Math is amazing, but sometimes it's hard to see that. There are so many learning games available for kids to practice math, but none of them fully utilize a child's learning potential. That's why we at Tang Math created this unique set of physical, easy-to-learn board games and card games catered for your child's learning. This is the Tang Math Home Pack. There are 4 games in each pack. The first is Tenga, a game that deepens your understanding of numbers through multiple representations. Flip any 2 cards in the deck and try and find the match. Here, the match is 6. No matter which 2 cards you choose, there's always only one match. Pretty cool, right? Then we have Takuma, a card game that gets your kids to practice mental math without even realizing it. On each card, there's a series of numbers, but only one fact family. The goal is to find the fact family or number bond before your opponents. Next is Web Bonds, a twist on dots and boxes that helps kids learn and practice their fact families. And lastly is Cueto, an equation forming game that develops reasoning skills. As a bonus, we'll even throw in a deck of Tang flashcards for extra practice. There are 2 home packs to choose from, one for kids in grades K through 2, and one for kids in grades 3 through 5. Both are immersive and fully interactive. I'm Tang Jr. Over the last 10 years, my dad and I have done thousands of school visits and worked with students of all ages and backgrounds. As I talked with parents and teachers across the nation, I realized there was a lack of tools that taught both vital math skills in a fun way and allowed for more parent-child interaction. So I thought of different ways to gamify vital math concepts. Through the physical design of the games, we can utilize all 3 facets of learning: visual, auditory, and tactile learning. This is the best way to get your children ahead. Play with your kids, or have your kids play with each other. Teach your kids valuable lessons on math and indispensable social skills at the same time. You might even learn a thing or 2 yourself. But we need your help. We want to bring the fun of mathematics into every home in America, and it starts with you, here on Kickstarter. Your donations will help us kick off production of these amazing games and make kids excited for math again. Back our campaign, get yourself a set, so you can play and share Tang Math with all your friends and family. Thank you for your support.